Díobh with agus fáilte Irish. Hello and welcome back. In this video we're going to look at one of the key foundation stones of the Irish language, and that is the verb to be, which is also pronounced be as well, as Gaeilge, be. So for example, tá mé, I am, bhí mé, I was, and beg mé, I will be. So mar hampla, for example, mar hampla, tá sé deas tú a eáil. It is nice to see you. Tá sé deas tú a eáil. It is tá sé, as in it is nice, tá sé deas. Tá mé ag foghlaim Gaeilge anois. I am learning Irish now. Tá mé ag foghlaim, I am learning Gaeilge anois, Irish now. Or in the past tense you could say bhí mé ag foghlaim Gaeilge. I was learning Irish. Bhí mé ag foghlaim an idirlín. I was learning on the internet, an idirlín. Or you could also say lína, online. Bhí mé ag foghlaim lína, online. And finally, let's look at an example of a sentence, that's oppert sentence, oppert as Gaeilge, of using the verb be in the future tense. So, mar hampla, for example, Déan defer nó beg tú má. Hurry up or you will be late. Déan defer, hurry up, nó or beg tú má, you will be late. Hurry up or you will be late. Déan defer nó beg tú má. Cearcolor, sinné, that's it for now. Thank you, Gurb Malgut, agus slán go fóill.